Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Serverless AI and Edge Computing. AI everywhere, from the cloud to your hand. Imagine AI isn't just a supercomputer in a movie, but a smart assistant right in your pocket, your car, or even your fridge. Today, we're talking about how AI is breaking out of massive data centers and spreading out to be incredibly accessible and useful everywhere you look. We'll explore two big ideas making this happen: serverless AI and edge computing. Don't worry, we'll explain everything simply, just like we're building a Lego set together. Before we talk about everywhere, let's understand somewhere. Think of the cloud as a giant, super powerful shared computing center. Like a massive factory full of incredibly fast computers. We call these servers. Historically, training complex AI models needed all this power. When your phone used Google Maps or asked Siri a question, it often sent the request to the cloud. The cloud did the heavy thinking and sent the answer back. It's powerful, but sometimes it can be a bit slow, like waiting for a letter to travel across the country. Serverless doesn't mean no servers exist, it means you, as a developer, don't have to worry about managing them. Imagine you want to bake a cake, run an AI task. Instead of buying a whole kitchen, ingredients, and hiring staff, you just order a custom cake from a bakery. You pay only for the cake, not for the oven's electricity or the chef's idle time. With serverless AI, you write your AI code, upload it, and when someone uses your AI feature, like image recognition, the cloud provider automatically runs your code, scales it up if many people use it, and you only pay for the exact time and resources your code used. It's efficient, scalable, and frees you up to focus on the AI itself. Now, let's talk about the edge. Think of the edge as the devices that are close to where data is created or where an action needs to happen: your smartphone, a smart camera, a self-driving car, or even a factory sensor. Instead of sending all data to the distant cloud for processing, edge computing brings a smaller, specialized AI model directly onto these devices. Imagine asking your phone to recognize a face in a photo. With Edge AI, your phone can do that instantly, without sending the photo anywhere. It's like having a small, super fast calculator in your pocket instead of needing to call a math professor every time. This means instant responses, better privacy, and even works without an internet connection. These two aren't competitors, they're best friends. Think of it this way: serverless AI, the cloud chef, asterisk handles the asterisk big, complex training of your AI models. It prepares the recipe using massive amounts of data and powerful servers. Then, edge computing, the pocket chef, asterisk takes that perfected, smaller recipe and runs it directly on your device for immediate use. So, you train a sophisticated AI model using serverless functions in the cloud. Then deploy a lighter version of that model to the edge. Like a smartphone app, the cloud handles the heavy lifting, and the edge handles the quick, local decisions. This combination gives you the best of both worlds: powerful AI creation and instant, everywhere intelligence. Let's see where this dream team shines. Smart homes, asterisk your security camera, edge, detects movement, processing it locally. If it sees something suspicious, it might use a serverless function in the cloud to analyze further and alert you. Healthcare, asterisk wearable devices, edge, monitor vital signs constantly, detecting anomalies instantly. If a pattern suggests a problem, it securely sends relevant data to the cloud. Serverless, for doctors to review. Manufacturing, asterisk robots on a factory floor. Edge, use AI for quality control, instantly spotting defects. Serverless AI analyzes the aggregated data from many robots to optimize the entire production line. As a developer, this opens up incredible possibilities. You don't need to be an AI expert to start. For serverless AI, you'll use cloud platforms. AWS Lambda, Google Cloud Functions, Azure Functions, to deploy your AI models, often pre-trained or fine-tuned. As serverless functions, you'll work with APIs and SDKs to integrate AI features into your apps. For Edge AI, you'll work with frameworks and tools designed for deploying smaller AI models to devices. Like TensorFlow Lite, Core ML, your focus will be on optimizing model size and performance for resource-constrained environments. The key is to think about where the intelligence is needed and what resources are available. These tools make deploying AI simpler and more accessible than ever. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.